Welcome to Exams Daily YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about today's current affairs quiz. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for your immediate notification. And the first question: International Conference on Climate Change and its impact on Himalayan region to be held in which country? Options: Nepal, Bhutan, China, and India. And the right answer is India is the right answer for this question, and it will be held from September 14 to 16 in India, and it will be organized by ARIES, that is Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observational Science, and Nainital and Hemavati Nandan University. And the purpose of the conference is aerosol air quality, climate change, its impact on water resource and livelihoods in the greater Himalayan mountain. And the next question: India's longest river ropeway inaugurated in which state? Option: Assam, Manipur, Sikkim, West Bengal. And the answer is Assam is the right answer. The longest river ropeway inaugurated in Assam state. Recently, the Assam government has launched a 1.8 kilometer ropeway over the Brahmaputra river, connecting to Guwahati to North Guwahati, and the total cost of this project is 56 crores, and it consists of 2 cabins, each with a capacity of 30 passengers and 1 operator, and it was launched by senior Assam minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. And the Assam CM, the Chief Minister of Assam, is Sarbananda Sonowal. So the longest river ropeway inaugurated in Assam state. Tumbi Mahotsavam 2020 festival is celebrated in which state? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. And the answer is Kerala is the right answer, and it is the first ever Dragonfly Festival in Kerala, and it is part of National Dragonfly Festival, and it was organized by WWF India and Bombay Natural History Society. The purpose of the festival is to create insect protection, and official mascot of the festival is Pantalu. A dragonfly is an insect belonging to the order Oonata. Which insurance company was renamed as Care Health Insurance Company recently? Healthcare Global Enterprises Limited, Religare Health Insurance Company Limited, Indraprasada Medical Corporation Limited, Apollo Hospitals Enterprises Limited. And the answer is Religare Health Insurance Company Limited is the right answer, and it was renamed to Care Health Insurance Company recently, and they did not provide for the reason of name changing. And the headquarters of this Religare Corporation is Delhi, and founded in 1984. The next question: Who among the following released the 2 research reports of IAPPD? Ramnath Kovind, Narendra Modi, M. Venkaiah Naidu, Rajnath Singh. And the answer is Venkaiah Naidu is the right answer for this question, and the report consists of status of sex ratio at birth in India, and it mentioned that there has no change in the sex ratio at birth India from 2001 to 2017. That is, the number of girl children born is much lesser than the natural norm, and it was released by the M. Venkaiah Naidu. He is the Vice President of India. And IAPPD is Indian Association of Parliamentarian on Population and Development. The National Commission on Population has projected India's population to be more feminine in which year? Options: 2032, 2022, 2036, 2028. And the answer is 2036 is the right answer. As per 2011 record, the sex ratio of the total population of women, that is 943 women per 1000 men, and it is expected increase by 957 per 100 women, 100 men, 1000 men, sorry, 1000 men. And on August 19, the Nation Commission released this report. India, the population has projected India's population to be 4 million in 2036, and released by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Which of the following application has introduced an innovative feature, Open API service, to help the people, businesses and the economy in its efforts to return to normalcy? And the options are Paytm, Arogya Setu, MobiKwik, Flipkart. The answer is Arogya Setu is the right answer. Due to this corona pandemic, the central government launched Arogya Setu recently, Arogya Setu app recently for the people and to know about the corona diseases. And the innovation features, that is Open API service, introduced by Arogya Setu to help people and business economy efforts to return to normal, and it will useful to check health status of the employees of the company. Indian government signed with which bank for $500 million for Mumbai Urban Transport Project 3? Options ADB, AIB, World Bank, NDB. And the answer is AIB is the right answer. And the AIB full form is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. And the Government of India and Government of Maharashtra, Mumbai Railway Corporation signed a loan for $500 million for Mumbai Urban Transport Project 3. And the aim of this project is improve network capacity, service quality, safety of the suburban railway system. And AIB president is Jin Liquin, and headquarters is located in Beijing, and it was established on 16th Jan 2016. AIB Bank was established on 16th January 2016. Who among the following inducted into ICC Cricket Hall of Fame recently? Options: Jacques Kallis, Lisa Slager, Jagir Abbas, all of the above. And the answer is all of the above is the right answer. All three inducted into the Cricket Hall of the Fame recently, and Jagir Kallis from South Africa, and Lisa Slager from Australia, and Jagir Abbas from Pakistan. And the last year 2019, the Hall of Fame award has provided to Sachin Tendulkar, Alan Donald from South Africa, and Catherine from Australia. Which insurance company and Bharati AXA General Insurance Company Limited have announced that they will combine their insurance businesses through a share swap deal to create India's third largest general insurance entity? HDFC Ergo General Insurance Company, ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited, IFCO Tokyo General Insurance Company Limited, New India Assurance Company Limited. And the answer is ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited is the right answer. And the ICICI and Bharati AXA General Insurance have announced that they will combine the insurance business through a share swap deal to create India's third largest general insurance entity. And the both companies are the general insurance company. General insurance, that is other than life insurance. That is general insurance means that is the car insurance, two-wheeler insurance and health insurance. And MD and CEO of ICICI Lombard is Bhargav Dasgupta, and Bharati AXA, the chairman is Rakesh Bharti Mittal. Recently, cricketer Cameron White announced his retirement. He belongs to which country? England, South Africa, Australia, Pakistan. And the answer is Australia is the right answer for this question. He is recently announced his retirement from all the format, Test, ODI and T20. He played Australia for 90 ODIs, 47 T20s and 4 test matches. So he has recently announced his retirement all the format. Which regional rural bank has partnered with SBI General Insurance Company to sell general insurance product? Allahabad UP Gramin Bank, Andhra Pradesh Gramina Vikas Bank, Chaitanya Godavari Gramina Bank, Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank. The answer is Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank is the right answer for this question. And for the purpose of this joining has partner is to sell general insurance product. To sell general insurance product. And it was signed by GM of General Manager of KVGB is Ravichandra. And the head SBI General Mahendra Tripathi. Which country launched optical remote sensing satellite named Gafen 905? Japan, North Korea, China and India. And the answer is China is the right answer for this question. China has launched optical remote sensing satellite named Gafen 905 and it launched from Jingan satellite launch center and in northeast China on Sunday launched by Long March 2D carrier rocket. Okay, and it was also the Tiantuo 5 launched by this rocket, and this is the 343rd mission of the Long March rocket series. Find the private sector bank which has partnered with Accenture for its digital transformation journey. ICICI Bank, RBL Bank, Yes Bank, Axis Bank. And the answer for this question is RBL Bank is the right answer, and previously is named by Ratnagar, and laterly the name was changed to RBL Bank. And CEO of RBL Bank is Viswavir Ajuga. The Accenture will be providing managed services and help RBL Bank in modernizing and consolidating its large and disparate applications, and this will help in key business process, namely finance, compliance, human resources and sales. Hallmarking of precious metals will be mandatory from 1st June 2021, 2023, 2025, 2022, and the answer is 2021 is the right answer. It was announced by Consumer Affairs Minister Ram Vilas Paswan. Ram Vilas Paswan is the Consumer Affairs Minister. And the jewelers have to register with BIS, that is Bureau of Indian Standards, and sell only hallmark jewelry. And hallmark is a purity certification of the precious metal, and BIS is already running in the country, and 40% of the jewelry, gold jewelry is being hallmarked country, and June 15th. On June 15th 2020 onwards, it will be mandatory. Hallmarking will be mandatory. Vijing festival is celebrated annually on which state? Options: Maharashtra, Goa, Odisha, Assam. And the answer is Assam is the right answer. And why this festival is celebrated means to promote the river tourism in the rural areas of the Bodoland Terrestrial Council. On the state, the 12th day, the 3rd edition of Zwing festival was recently celebrated, and it is an annual river festival celebrated in the Bodoland Terrestrial area districts. Jindal Mega Power Plant is located at which state? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu. And the answer is Chhattisgarh is the right answer, and the Jindal Mega Power Plant is located at the Chhattisgarh, and it is a coal based power plant, and is located in Tamnar village near Raigad district. Operated by Jindal Power Limited, and the planned capacity is 3400 megawatts, and total units is 8 units, and it was established in 2007. Where is the headquarters of RBL Bank located? Lucknow, Mumbai, Chennai, New Delhi. And the answer is Mumbai is the right answer. The headquarters of RBL Bank located in Mumbai, and it was founded in 1943, and the previous name is Ratnagar Bank. Ratnagar Bank, and the MD and Managing Director and CEO is Viswavir Aguja. And total RBL Bank having branches is 372 branches all over the country. And Buenos Aires is the capital of which country? Singapore, Argentina, Bolivia, and Paraguay. And the answer is Argentina is the right answer. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires, and the Singapore capital is Singapore, and the Bolivia capital is La Paz, and Paraguay capital is Asunción. Baguj Dam is located in which state? Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Uttar Pradesh. And the answer is Uttar Pradesh is the right answer, and it's located in city of Jhansi, and it has been referred as the Puspavati in religion text, and it is a small and dry river. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. If you have any doubts on this quiz, please comment your question in the comment sections, and thanks for watching.